Welcome to Mighty Insights. We've just updated Mighty Insights to make it even easier and clearer to see what's happening on your Mighty network and lay the foundation for even more guidance next. Let's dive in. To get the best insights, you're going to want to be on the business plan or above. Mighty Insights follows the structure of your network. To recap, Mighty networks are made up of spaces. Spaces have their own native features. Native features can include an activity feed, chat, a table of contents for course content, an event series, a single event, and a web page, plus a few others. Both spaces and native features can be renamed, reorganized, and reimagined. To get started, just open your network settings and choose Mighty Insights. First, you'll see Network Insights. This dashboard gives you a quick pulse on two things critical to any community, course, or membership. Number 1, contributions, and number 2, members. Hosts and members make contributions. Contributions include articles, posts, comments, cheers, direct messages, event RSVPs, poll and question answers, and more. Then, shifting to the members, you'll see here the total number of members, contributing members, and new members, plus ratios that tell you what percentage of your members are showing up and contributing. Oh, and see these little eye icons? Click on those for information on any of these charts. And if they're still not clear, drop us a note in Host Help in the bottom right corner of your Mighty network, and we'll get your questions answered. After the overview, there are 5 other network dashboards. This is members, so you can see members across your entire Mighty network and a few key ratios to understand their level of engagement. You can also explore individuals and see a specific person's contributions. This is the live streams dashboard. For many hosts, incorporating live streaming is a great activity generator. Click on a specific live stream to see how much engagement you got. This dashboard shows one-to-one and group messages among your members across your Mighty network. When you charge for access to your Mighty network, a set of spaces, or an individual space, you create a plan. This dashboard is the summary of your plans and revenue. You can go deeper and see active or canceled subscriptions, free trials, as well as subscription or purchase details. Here on the storage dashboard, you can see how much bandwidth and storage your network is using. There's also a glossary if you want to explore more of the thinking behind these insights and what they mean. These dashboards offer data tables and drill-down details that you can export into a PDF or Excel file. Just click the 3-dot menu in the upper right of the dashboard to explore more. Now let's shift to Mighty Insights for individual spaces. Here's the spaces overview with a table to view all of your top spaces, as well as space contribution trends by feature. Now, as I mentioned earlier, spaces are made up of native features. Each native feature, even the ones you may not have enabled in that space, has a dashboard. This is Feed, for when you have an activity feed enabled. Events, for either a single event or event series. Table of contents, for when you add course content or organized content to a space. Chat, for when you have chat enabled. And Page, for when you add a web page to a space. Now that we've done a lightning round overview of what's new in Mighty Insights, you may be wondering how to use it to grow your Mighty network. Here are 3 popular ways to use Mighty Insights. Number 1, to understand activity you can't necessarily see. This is most obvious in direct messages between members, but there may also be spaces that you're not in all the time that are active. There's activity happening among your members even when you're not around. Mighty Insights is the best way to keep perspective. Number 2, to understand your most valuable members and prompt them to be an ambassador. Use your member dashboards to see by name and profile which of your members are the most active, contributing the most, and whether they want to become an ambassador for your Mighty network. Number 3, to understand which spaces are the most active and why. As you look across your spaces and among the native features in your spaces, you want to see what the greatest potential is for you to spark even more engagement. And that's it. This should be a great start to exploring Mighty Insights and why coming back here regularly is a great way to grow your Mighty network.